Hello my peoples, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm called Cook with Sherry. If you're my returning subscriber, thanks for liking my video, thanks for sharing, and thanks for commenting. Okay, so today I'm going to be preparing some macaroni for tool, and as you can see in this video right now, I'm already boiling my macaroni. You boil your macaroni with a little bit of salt and oil. Okay, so we shall go. We are going to prepare this with some chicken breast. Yes. So guys, this is the chicken I'm going to add in our macaroni. It was leftover chicken, so I'm going to use this in our macaroni. But if you don't have chicken, you can use minced meat, or you can use hot dog, or you can use anything of your choice. But today I'm going to be adding in this. So let's check on our macaron. So I think our macaron, they're already done, so I need to check them out to see if they are done. Yeah, they are done. So it's high time to close the fire and strain out the water. So at this moment I'm straining out the water, as you can see in this video. So to prevent them from cooking, you just need to add more water so that you prevent it from cooking. So as we prepare our spices, so the reasons that's why I pour water, I want to prevent it from overcooking. So guys, I'm going to start to prepare our macaroni. So I have some tomatoes, I have some pepsicum and cornmeal, I have some chopped basil, onions, I have some garlic right there. So I have this chicken, I have salt. Yeah, I think that's all what I'm going to use. And I have some tomato paste, I forgot to bring it here, and that's it. That's what I'm going to be using to prepare this macaron. So as you can see, I have already preheated our saucepan and I have poured in like 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm gonna test to see if our oil is ready. Yeah, I think it's ready. So I'm going to pour in this onions. Yeah, I'm going to give it a quick mix. Tutaddemu obutungulu bwaffe, tugenda busiika bubeere golden brown. We have added in our onions and we are going to stir fry them until they turn golden brown. They shouldn't turn black, they should be golden brown. So we are going to fry them for a few minutes, and the next step we'll add in our tomatoes and the rest of the stuff. Okay. Okay, our onions, they have started to turn to golden brown. This is the right moment to add in our tomatoes. So these are our tomatoes, so I'm gonna add in them in. Yes. We'll cover it for some few minutes and we shall be back. Okay. So at this moment I'm going to add in garlic. Yes. garlic, and I'm going to add in this capsicum. Guys, I didn't show you when I was adding my tomato paste, so I have just added in my tomato paste. So I'm gonna give it a stir fry, a quick mix. So I'm going to put in little water so that it cooks. Okay. I'm going to add in little water. I'm going to cover it up until everything just cooks. So at this moment, I'm going to add in our chicken. Yes. I added it last because it was already cooked. Enkoko nengisembezaayo because already ebadde enfumbeko yabadde ya juice. So this is how it looks like. I wish I had this yellow green pepper and the red one. It would have given it that nice looking color. Okay, but since I don't have, I will go with any option. So this is how our food looks like. Okay. So, and here comes our macaroni. So I'm going to add this in. Okay, you be very careful so that you add everything in. Guys, this is one packet of macaroni, spaghetti. I don't know how they call them, but this is one packet. So I mix everything together. I'm not going to add in salt because the chicken contains salt, the garlic had salt, the macaroni I boiled it with salt, so I'm not going to add in more salt. Okay. Sigenda kwongera munyo kubanga enkoko ebadde n'omunyo, amakaroni gabadde n'omunyo, garlic abadde n'omunyo, so when nyongeramu it's gonna be hot. So guys, and the last step is gonna be this oatmeal. That's how they look like. Can you take a good look at that? Can you see that? Yeah. So we make slow fire like that. I don't have black pepper, that's why I didn't add it in, but the chicken contains black pepper. So this is our macaroni. This is how they look like. So I'm going to add in little habanero pepper to give it that hot, like when you eat, like you are salivating, like it's too much hot. So I'm going to add in habanero pepper. Those of you who don't know habanero pepper, I'm going to show it to you. Guys, this is habanero pepper, and guess what? It's from Uganda. The land of beauty, my mother, and the pearl of Africa. So it's from Uganda, where beautiful stuff comes from. So I'm going to show you how these habanero peppers look like. Yeah, they come in different colors. There is yellow, green, and red, but these are habanero peppers. They are very hot. So if you use one, this one is too much big, so I should pick the small one. Yes, I should pick the smallest one because these are habanero peppers. I'm going to use this. Yeah, I just want this macaroni to be a little bit spicy, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to cut into small pieces, and I'll be adding it into our spaghetti. Okay, but they are called habanero peppers, and they are from Yugi. Yeah, so guys, I have already cut it into not too small pieces, but this is enough. So I'm gonna add it here, and I think this will be our final cooking of our spaghetti. And most of you will ask me why I didn't add in any spicy. I didn't add in any spicy because this chicken contained a lot and lots of masala, so there was no need for me to add in more spices. But if you are to use any spice, this is the best. Yes, chicken masala spice powder. It contains chili, and it has red chili, coriander, black pepper, turmeric, aniseed, ginger, onion, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, salt, and nutmeg. So you see, that's the reason why I didn't add this in our macaron. But let me give it a quick mix, and we are done. Yeah, this is how they look like. I wish I had those beautiful pepsicum, the red one, the yellow one. So guys, bye bye, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to like, to comment. Okay, thanks for all your subscriptions. Thank you so much. Bye bye, see you in my next video, inshallah.